Considering the Dell XPS 16 for your next powerhouse laptop? This honest Dell XPS 16 review for 2025 dives deep into what makes this big screen device a potential game changer, despite its hefty price tag. You'll be amazed by the stunning 16-inch 3.2K OLED display and the premium, solid aluminum design that truly justifies the XPS name. Under the hood, the Intel Core Ultra X7 processor with Intel Arc B390 graphics delivers a fantastic balance of performance and portability, even allowing for impressive 1080p gaming, a pleasant surprise for integrated graphics. However, be prepared for an RTX-level price without a dedicated RTX GPU, which might make you second-guess your purchase. Dell brings back physical function keys and includes an enormous, responsive haptic touchpad, significantly improving the user experience. But beware of the limited Thunderbolt 4 ports and the inability to upgrade RAM or easily expand storage, which could be deal breakers for some professionals. Despite these drawbacks, the XPS 16 boasts an impressive 14-hour battery life, making it perfect for all-day productivity on the go. Is the Dell XPS 16 2025 worth its premium cost for its stylish design, incredible screen, and solid performance? Find out more and check the description for links to buy yours today.